Okay, we got this pet shaver. Let's check this thing out and see what this is and see if we can get it to work on my puppy. So, are there any instructions? Yeah, there's some right there. So I got this to kind of trim around her eyes and stuff, because the other one I have is such a big apparatus. And this is what it looks like there. You like that? So that's what it is. And then it's got a charger by USB to USB-C and a little cleaning thing. Let's see if we can just do a quickie little trim on you. Let's just see. So this is good because I can really maintain it here. Oh yeah, that's gonna totally work, but I don't really want to trim her right now. I don't think she needs it. But I'll just do it a little bit here. Let's just clean up that. It does, it cuts it off. I got it rid of the long piece. But yeah, it works good, and I like the way it had that little light on it too. So cute little trimmer. So nice little handy thing to have around. Right, Penny? It'd be good to cut off some of the chunks that she gets on there too. She just needs a good cleaning right now. She's been out playing. So she's cute. So she's gonna be good with it. I like it. Thumbs up.